What HR is learning how to do is to not talk about HR as HR, but about HR as a source of value for the business. I think what people said during COVID is a people problem. It's a health problem. It's a morale problem. And the changes in 2023 have not gone away around the world. We've seen political changes. We've seen upheaval in the Ukraine. We've seen upheaval in the Mideast. We've seen economic upheaval. We've seen a huge amount of AI upheaval and technology. All of those continue that legacy of the people agenda, which I think COVID really highlighted.
Rapid adoption of generative AI in the past year that has changed both our work and our lives. 2024 marks an acceleration of how generative AI and now artificial general intelligence or AGI will continue to change the way we work and live. We all know that AGI and HR tech is here to stay. This means that HR leaders will have to strike that balance of how to adopt the latest HR tech to complement the humans and how to best get the workforce, workplace, and redesign work to be ready for that future.
I see 2024 shaping up to be a very interesting year for HR technology. Gen AI would actually drive significant investments by CEOs in order to ramp up their competitive advantage. HR leaders need to be able to put a sharper focus on their business case and to justify the investments in their HR technology away from some of these budgets in order to help their companies to transform better.
We already see a lot of exciting experiments of applying AI into different HR areas like recruitment, people analytics. What I'm personally most passionate about is to see the AI application in learning and development, because learning has been always most effective when it's individualized and customized, and AI technology will enable us to customize at an extreme level and also do that in a very large scale.
Some of the key strategic priorities for 2024 are likely to be around productivity, efficiency, and personalization. So this would create a huge pull for generative AI-based HR solutions which can address some of these challenges.
2024 and HR tech will be an interesting combination. More and more companies will deploy generative AI technology to boost employee experience and also leverage predictive analytics. This will help organizations take faster talent decisions and redefine how work is done. It will also raise questions around bias.
Generative AI may be the solution to bring the different silos of HR together, to create a more systemic HR, one in which data talks to each other and the user gets access to information across all systems. Maybe it is generative AI that will bring the entire function, leave alone the enterprise, together.
I believe that in 2024, the excitement and hype around use of generative AI in HR will certainly continue. With some of the large HR platform providers integrating Gen AI or launching new solutions with generative AI, I think will only bring more real use cases for HR.
In 2024, the key macro environmental trends from 2023 are likely to persist. Organizations would need to further strengthen organizational resilience and continue to focus on optimizing its human capital. This would suggest that there will be increased attention on how generative AI, as well as the use of data tools and technology, could be deployed in HR to enable and support the business to make decisions faster and provide sharper predictability in outcomes from decisions around people.
AI-driven tools fostering unprecedented productivity gains, new skills and capabilities enabling organizations to meet evolving business needs, and of course, fortified cybersecurity measures to safeguard employees' data. Collectively, these three will reshape the HR technology space in 2024 with agility and efficiency.
Consolidation. The 25 processes of HR tech that we have been seeing example would consolidate probably into 20. And I think 2024 would be the starting year for that with the advent of AI that we have. And perhaps this 25 number will keep decreasing over the next few years.
I think 2024 is monumentally going to reshape HR tech. From recruitment to the employee experience to how we manage productivity in the workforce is going to shift as a result of technology. We know automation, generative AI is making huge leaps and bounds. And I think at the end of this year, it will significantly change, particularly around administration, around workforce analytics, around employee life cycle experiences, but also the HR tech stack.
Continue advancement in AI-driven tools for recruitment, employee engagement, and talent management. Increased integration of data analytics for workforce planning and the use of virtual reality for training and development could also be potential areas of growth. And AI can be easily used to answer questions based on your company's data, feedback and exit interviews. And cybersecurity measures and privacy considerations are likely to remain critical in HR tech evolution.
HR is no longer about HR. It's about helping succeed in the business. That's the mental shift and the practical application that I think in HR we've been working around for some time. And all the analytics, all the tools begin to support that agenda.
We need to quickly learn not just to coexist with technology, but to leverage on the combined synergy of high-tech yet high-touch to improve work lives and to improve humanity.